po kami ng quorum. And you may ask, bakit hindi, is there quorum? Yes, there is. We're just considered 22 now. So divided by 2, that's 12 plus, 11 plus 1 is 12. So we have a quorum. Yung sinasabing 13, yun po ay kung kompletong 24. Dalawa po sa amin, isa nagtatago, isa nakakulong. So we only have, ang bilang po ay 22. So divided by 2, yung sabi po na majority, para makuha majority, divided by 2, so that's 11 plus 1. And that was Jesus Cordero nga po, arriving today. So na-break po yung impasse when Senator Escudero showed up today. Because sinasabi niya po sa amin, he doesn't believe anymore on what they're fighting for. Number 2, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Monday. We are just moving the scheduled date from tomorrow to prepare all members. Matter of fact, I declare and I manifested that all members of the Senate, be in the majority and the new minority now, they are all members of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Para wala pong masabi na ika nga may hocus-pocus. Now, pertaining to those invited resource persons, hindi po ako sangayon because we have to review these people. May sasabihin po ba talaga? Mayroon po bang i-disclose? We have to review this. Number 2, the proper way to invite resource persons, you do not give it out to the media. You give it to the members first. Ang nangyari po kanina, yung lista na sinasabi nilang invited sa Blue Ribbon, hindi po dumaan sa tamang process. It should have been given first to the members para kung may dadagdag, may papabawas doon, sabihin hindi, wala ito. The members should have been consulted. Kaya, you have to give me time until Monday next week kung sino po at yung oras po at exactly 9 a.m. on Monday, there will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. It's in the law. Kailangan mo 13. We don't have 13. So, but then we can elect the pro tempore because it doesn't say 13. Senate President. So, Senator Cayetano is still the Senate President. Because we don't have 13. It's against the law naman, di ba? We only have 12. So, well, he will be a virtual Senate President. All seats vacant for all the committees. Simula po sa pro tempore, we cannot touch the Senate presidency because we don't have 13. It is in the it is what the law says. You have to have 13. We don't. We only have 12. No, Senate pro tempore. Acting president, acting Senate, but he's the presiding officer from now on. So, kay hindi pumasok Senator Cayetano, it will be Senator Win who will be presiding from now on.
But are you expecting, sir, na eventually magiging Senate President and may lilipat pa ba from the majority?
Kung may lilipat pa, kung may mahimasmasan ngayon ng mga kasamahan nila. And I still urge, we're still open. Doon po sa mga members po ng majority, please join us. We will accept you with open arms. Let's work together for the nation, not for ourselves, not for the political parties, not for certain individuals, but for the entire country. Let's work together. We will accept you. We will embrace you.
So, hindi makaka-13, hindi nananatili pa rin Senate President ngayon si Senator Alan?
Say again? Well, right here in Rule 4 of the Senate, Section 5, it says, a pro tempore may act as acting president.
Acting Senate President?
Acting Senate President, ang pro tempore.
Sir, kumuusap kay Senator Cheese para sumama po sa grupo.
Oh, well, Senator Miggs. And then, actually, yesterday pa he's not very happy anymore. Then we really thought na yesterday he would join us, but he did not. He was thinking it over, consulting his family, his friends. And then kanina morning, He said he will attend, but we didn't expect it. Kasi kahapon he said he'll come, but he did not. So kanina, we were surprised when he joined us, when he arrived.
Paano po naging effective yung pagkapalit nyo ng chairmanship if you never had the 13 yet?
No, pag 12 po pwede, kasi majority na kami. Of the 22. Because it should be 11. Divided by 2, 22 divided by 2 is 11. Plus 1. So we have 12.
But that math cannot be applied on SP.
Not on SP. I'm sorry, not on SP. That's why we did not elect a Senate President, because we'll be violating a law. We'll be violating the Constitution.
Was there any promise to SP, to Senator Cheese, or talagang na-enlighten lang siya?
He was enlightened. I mean, kaya nga po, niyakap namin kanina, we were surprised because Sen Mix was already, we asked Sen Mix kanina, meron bang ikang kapalit, may sinasabi niya, wala naman. Well, nothing.
Sir, kailan na sigurado na dadating si Senator Cheese?
There was none. Kanina, nung nag-caucus kami ng 1 o'clock, wala pa eh. Kasi yesterday said na he will join, but he did not.
Well, so yung mga bandang alas 3 na sa session hall kayo, were you losing hope na dadating siya?
Well, I was already preparing what to tell you guys na pag hindi na naman sila sumipot. Na I will say na bahala na ang taong bayan.
Sir, meron po ba sir nakialam sir kasi Miss Arlie may nagsasabi nilakad ng palasyo yung pagpunta rito ni Senator Cheese.
Wala namang kapalit. I mean, bakit ka number 2? Bakit nakikialam ang palasyo? Bakit na nakikialam? I mean, this is a Senate. I mean, we're another branch of government, di ba?
Sen, what will happen pag nag-reserve si Bato?
Then, pag dumating siya, it's okay. I mean, we welcome him.
But that would make the Senators 2023, not 22. Ano po mangyayari sa...
Well, we already declared it. Kung susipot siya.
Sir, to clarify,
Kung susipot siya.
Sir, to clarify, right now we have a Senate President and an acting Senate President. Ano po yung difference and limits ng mga functions and roles nila?
Actually, vacant yung Senate President. I mean, because may acting na tayo, di ba? There's an acting President. Si Sen Win, in his capacity as pro tempore, until a new Senate President is elected. And the only way that we can elect is we will have 13. Otherwise, we cannot elect a new Senate President. So we will be, the Senate pro tempore will be the acting Senate President.
But if SP arrives on Monday, he will preside.
Definitely. He will preside.
He remains to be the SP.
Yes, he will preside.
Can we say na hindi stable pa yung kasalukuyan na majority, sir?
I think it's already stable because 12 kami, 10 lang sila eh.
Pero yung Senate President, hindi pa rin stable, sir.
Yeah, you Senate President, yes. But what can he do? I mean, he might be a virtual president dahil majority na kami, di ba? 12 to 10.
Sir, pag ni Senator Marcoleta ang kanyang blue ribbon, how will you assert your blue ribbon?
Yeah, yung
That's illegal na po, yung kanyang tomorrow. We have already instructed the Senate, the OSAA, the Senate Sergeant at Arms, the Senate Secretary.
Sir, sabi niya,
Now, all seats vacant na po, di ba? We declared it. So, illegal na po yung gagawin niya because there's already a new Blue Ribbon Chairman.
sir, kung matutuloy tomorrow, wag daw kukurap dahil may mga minority na pwede daw hong madawit doon sa flood control anomalies.
Ay, doon. Kasi I mean, sana tinignan niya muna yung kagrupo niya. Ilan doon ang sabit.
Sir, sorry, ang grupo niyo po ang tawag ay majority na.
Of course. Yes. Because the new majority, there's 12 of us. There's 12 of us.
Sir, ano message mo sa kayo sir?
And then, another thing. Did you hear Senator Cheese abstain? Hindi naman So he did not abstain. Doon sa mga, when Senator Win said na declare all committee, seats vacant, except for the Senate presidency.
Senator, paano pag magpumilit na mag-hearing bukas yung Blue Ribbon Committee under
I don't know how they will do that because there's already instruction to the Senate Sergeant at Arms. There's a new Sergeant at Arms.
Huwag papapasukin, sir.
They will not be. And then there will be, we're contacting now the House of Representatives that this is the Senate new majority. and even Malacanang. There's already communication. We're just waiting for the reply.
Kaya yung ginawa niyo po, anong mensahe?
Even the guests hindi po papapasukin tomorrow. For instance, if the 18 ex-Marines surface,
This is invalid already. This is already a press conference, right? I'm telling you, I'm the new Blue Ribbon Committee chair because there's a new Senate majority. Yung sinasabi po nila sila Senator Marcoleta, hindi na po sila majority, nasa minority. They only have 10. Na kung gusto mo pumunta ng mga Marines, magmerienda, pameriendahin na lang dyan. Meron na mga...
Sila on Monday, sir, yung mga Marines na yun, or yung ibang guest sana bukas, invite nyo ba sila on Monday?
We will review upon consultation with the new members. Like I said, everybody is a member of the Blue Ribbon. Kasama po si Senator Marcoleta, kasama po si kung gusto niya pa ang ex-officio Senate President Cayetano.
Sir,
They're all invited.
Sir, sabi nila SP Alan, all of this is para hindi matuloy yung hearing nila on the flood control anomaly.
Meron na ngayon Monday, di ba?
Pero hindi, yung kanila, yung for tomorrow dapat. Are you denying that, Alan?
Yeah, of course, because number one, okay, subcommittee, dapat i-constitute ang subcommittee upon the instruction of the chairman of the committee. Not the media, because the media cannot ask them questions. Not the bloggers.
So wala kayong hinaharap doon sa katotohanan na
No, of course, we will look. We will still invite those people, some of those, pero we will have to review yung list nila. Hindi yung kung sino sila, wala na pakundangan. May mga pangalan ako na hindi ko nakilala, hindi naman contractor. Sino ba yung mga yun? Nakita ko may mga 18 Marines na yun. So we will have to consult, of course, the members until Friday.
Magkakaroon na kayo may elect ng USP pag may lumipat na po sa inyo.
Say again?
You think in due time magkakaroon na ng
Kung may lumipat, yeah, then we can convince, then we will elect. And,
malapit na yun?
I hope so. But for now, ang sigurado lang is 12.
Mensahe po nito, may ginawa po ninyo, anong mensahe nito kay Senator Alan Peter Quezon?
Ang mensahe, ang tao pagod na po. Ang mensahe, lahat po nadadamay, pati po ang minority na pumapasok kami, ang gulo-gulo ng Senado, wala na kayong ginawa. Nakakahiya din po, pinapasweldohan kami araw-araw. Pagkatapos 3 days, it's a violation of the Constitution. So we really have to act drastically. Ito na nga po. Yung kung sinasabi lang, wala silang quorum, walang bilang. Paano walang bilang? There's only 22 of us now. Yung isa nagtatago, ayaw na magpakita. Sinasabi mo, sana, kung magpakita, sana magpakita siya. Sana hindi siya magtatakbo sa hagdanan ulit. Mag-stay siya dito sa floor, bumoto siya. Sige, let's go.
With that po, Senator, I think Senator Cheese is also facing a graft complaint before the Ombudsman.
Yes.
Paano kung ma-arresto din siya?
Kung may warrant of arrest. If there's a warrant of arrest. Pero there's no warrant of arrest pa naman. Ongoing po yung investigation.
If he will be arrested, what will happen?
Well, depends.
Will the majority
It depends to the ombudsman po, di ba? Then we have to talk it over, di ba?
Sir, impeachment,
Well, one by one. I'll take former questions.
Impeachment will be presiding Senator Vic.
We'll have to choose. We'll have to choose from amongst ourselves. Not yet. We'll have to choose.
Sir, pwede yun kahit naka-adjourn na kayo? Pwede niyong i-elect yung mga senator?
No, that will be done on July 6th.
Sir, di ba
Sir, kahit
rest
na
automatically
adjournment
sa
kasi iba yung impeachment court, iba yung magiging
The July 6th will still follow the July 6 schedule. Then doon po, na mag-elect kami ng impeachment trial officer.
Sir, paano nyo i-address
Spokes ng majority, kaya kayo inasabi. Spokes ng majority ka. You speak for the majority, sir, di ba? You can say that. You can say that.